You're never gonna guess what I did. I dyed my hair with shampoo, and here's what I do to keep it looking fresh. And this is all part of my nighttime routine. Okay, before you ask about the color, hear me out. The copper color was a must from my dark brown shampoo dye. I'm telling you, I don't know what it is, but it has helped maintain it so well. I've been using this color depositing hair mask from Herbishh. It's designed to keep your hair hydrated, moisturized, and your color vibrant until your next dye session. So here's what I do. I finish my usual night routine with shampoo and conditioner. Then I apply this mask for about 10 minutes. Make sure that you're sectioning your hair and you apply evenly. After 10 minutes, I make sure to rinse my hair very thoroughly, very well, so that all of the color comes out and there's no mask left on my hair. After rinsing, I usually let my hair air dry, but you can also blow dry it or diffuse it. But let's get into the mask. Girl, this mask makes my hair feel so soft and healthy. So not only is this mask helping your color, but it also helps keep that hair hydrated, keep it moisturized. It's so soft. I wish you could feel my hair right now. The copper and the red hair girlies know that this is a must-have.